Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I decided to cut my hair just out of nowhere. My hair was super long, but it was super damaged, so I decided I wanted to cut my hair. But I didn't want to go to a salon because it costs money, so I had my boyfriend do it. And if you guys want to see how he cut my hair and what happened, keep watching. In the end, I do end up going to get my hair fixed because it was super choppy. But other than that, he did pretty good. So if you guys want to see how that happened, keep watching. Okay, now give me a middle part.
The thumb?
That's not middle.
Oh, I'm just lining it up. I can't see.
Do you want me to teach you how to do it?
No.
That's not middle either. That's not middle.
More to the center?
But yeah.
Just think middle. Just I got this. Can I like face you? I can't do this in the mirror.
Lily. No, it's decent.
Oh. I can fix that. I know what you're talking about.
Is it straight enough, do you think?
No.
No? Alright, so straighten.
Oh, jeez. How do I do it?
Just straight. Take it. Okay, so grab a section.
Okay.
Might not straighten, just straighten. Yes, but that's too thick.
Oh my goodness. That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, we get some help.
Alright, so using a section like before. So normally it's like from here to the back of my ear. Is that straight? Yep.
I'm just decent.
Okay, that's enough. Is it really bad?
No, it's good.
So now give me one of those clips. And do the same thing on the other side. See? Now do the back. Okay, for the back, but we'll just do it differently. Hold on. Let it go. Or you can use the trimmers or what for the back?
I'm use the clippers.
Oh yeah, or so you can use a you can just do it like that. You think you can do it?
Like this?
Yep.
So I don't
Just
need
all
it.
my hair down. You don't even need to part it.
Oh, then yeah.
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, put like a plastic bag over me. Now
And
cut
right
it.
over you?
But obviously make a hole.
Really? You're about to get messed up.
I should have brought my cape. What the hell? Ah.
You have to squeeze it through your head. Shows your hair's gonna get messed up. Oh, you want armholes too?
Okay, yeah, because my arms are definitely all the
Dude,
way
you have
down.
to squeeze your fingers in. It makes sense, see? Does that not fit perfect? Exactly. What up, boo? Go. Should have been your costume.
Take my hair out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah?
No, I'm scared of that. Wait, David. Hold on. But my eyes are watering.
Don't cry. You wanted this.
So it's really short.
You want to make it even now?
What? It's not even?
No. I had to do different sections. I just need to like some with just look straight,
Oh my
right?
God.
Just look straight. Look straight. There's no going back now, remember?
I look like Luna. Well, don't make it straight, bud, because...
I feel like this side's just longer.
Oh my god. It looks like a wig.
R.I.P. Show the camera.
Look at all that hair. Holy shit. Alright, you think you can do the front?
Yeah. Dude, look, that's disgusting.
Lily!